Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Textbook, Unit 6, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. In our previous video, we have completed these activities. Now, here we have left some activities in Unit 6. Now, today we are going to complete it, okay? So, first one is we will start our work from page number 105. Okay, so here say aloud. So here some words given that we have to read. Okay, so first one is ask, bask, mask and task. Again, ask, bask, mask, task. Then scholar, school, skin, skin. Scholar, school, scan and scheme. We say I learned my lesson is action word. Okay, but a learned pandit came to the court is describing word. Here learned, I learned my lesson is action word. Here learn is action word, but a learned pandit, so here a learned word is describing word. It's describing about pandit. Okay, came to the court, then we pronounce it as a learned to rhyme with created and waited. So here tick write the words which end with the sound id. Say each word aloud. So here we have to find some words that end with sound id. Okay, so here, okay, now let's find out those words. First, accepted, then irritated, and yes, completed, then yes, cried, then celebrated and fried. Okay, okay, now our next activity, word building. Make a class dictionary with words from the story. Try to find suitable words for them in your mother tongue. Say these words aloud, then make sentences with those words in your class dictionary. So here word in English. So first of all you have to write some words from that story, and you have to make sentences by using these words that you have find from story. Okay, so first one is tickle. So you can make a sentence, he tickled the baby's hand. Language, Hindi is our national language. Night, it was raining last night. Surprise, so this party is a surprise for my father. Difficulty, I have difficulty in science. Feather, so the peacock has colorful feather. Okay, and you can use some other words also from that story. Okay, now second question, write all the words that show you are happy. So here you have to write some those words that so you are happy. So when we are happy we say for example, hooray, ha ha. So here we have to write some more words. So here we can write ye, then you can write yippee, then hurrah. You can write some other words also. Okay, okay, now tick write the right answer. So first one, I visited the court of Akbar means options are you always live there, you came there for a short time, you were born there. So which is the correct answer? Yes, you came there for a short time. Then second one, to imitate someone means to copy someone, tease someone, make someone angry. So yes, copy someone. Okay, now fourth one, look and fill in the columns. One has been done for you. So here some words given, and here first of all example given. Let's see. Quiet, quite. So here Quietly, quietly. So we have to fill all this blank according to the example. Okay, so here word given said. So here word SADLY. So said, saidly. Then fluent, FLUENT, fluent. So here we write FLUENTLY, fluently, fluently. Then angry, ANGRY. So here we write ANGRILY, angrily. Then fierce, FIERCE, fierce. So here FIERCELY, fiercely. Gentle, GENTLE, gentle. So here we write gently, GENTLY. Okay, now question number 5. Match the words in column A with words in column B. Here two column given, A and B. We have to match it. Okay, so first of all word given king. So king match with courtiers. So here courtiers. Then teacher, yes, students. Doctor, yes, patients. Bus driver, yes, passenger. Lawyer, yes, client. And mother, children. Again, king, courtiers, teacher, students, doctor, patients, bus driver, passengers, lawyer, clients, and mother, children. Okay. Okay, now this all work you have to complete in your Marigold textbook. Okay, thank you.